I'm creating this video to encourage and motivate someone to start saving for an emergency fund if they're not. And how we're going to do that is with a 52-week savings challenge. And that will make it very easy to do because we are working with small amounts of money. When we take small amounts of money, every time we get some money, put it away to the side and save it, it adds up over time. So join me in this 52-week savings challenge that will help you if you don't have an emergency fund. Stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. Thank you for stopping by. Wanda is my name and saving money is my game. If you're not saving for emergency, let's make it yours too. Let's save more in 2025. Let's save more money in 2025 and we'll be glad that we did. And I'm asking if you will subscribe to this channel, click the thumbs up button, drop me a comment, let me know what do you think of this video. Is it helpful? Is it a great idea? I'm very curious to know. And would you share this video because there may be someone that could use this content also. And would you click the notification bell so you may be notified every time I upload a new video. I want to say thank you for being here. Welcome to everyone, and I hope everyone is doing well. And if you're participating in this particular savings challenge, let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. Yeah. Because I'm happy for you if you're saving money for an emergency fund, which is very important to have. Yes, it is. You want to have some money to tap into if you have something like this happen. And we know a lot of this is going on right now. This right there. And if you're still working right now, thank God for that, because a lot of people are losing jobs. You know, I thank God, I still work a 9 to 5, and I thank God for it every day. I don't take it for granted because I could be in the same situation. So, but while we are working, we want to make sure we are putting money away for an emergency fund. Now, we're not saving money to build wealth. That's a whole nother video, a whole nother topic, okay? We're saving in case we need some money to tap into. Now, I have 7 savings challenges, and even though today is Sunday, this is savings challenge number 6, which I do on Saturdays. And I missed it yesterday. I just didn't have the strength to do it, for real. I just didn't, so it's like, oh, I'll do it tomorrow. So that's why I'm doing it today. And I'm trying to be patient, consistent, and disciplined with this, to encourage and motivate someone and let them know how important this is. I just think all these people that, you know, are going through these job layoffs, if they have money to tap into, they would be good until they can find something else. And now's a good time to start trying to become an entrepreneur. Now, I'm not saying quit your job and become one, but try to find other ways to make money. Have more than one stream of income. That way you won't have to go out and get one of these if you got more than one stream of income, or one of these, or one of these, and run up a bunch of these, okay? Now, like I said, I got 7 savings challenges. Savings challenge number 6, which we do on Saturdays. We're going to pretend like today is Saturday, okay? And what you need something like this, a container, and I call this my money box savings challenge. It's upside down here. It's upside down. Yeah, I knew reason I knew because I hold my hair here and it's kind of rubbing this off. And then you need this, some money. What is this? This is a $20 bill. See? Yeah. And what we've been doing is stuffing this money box with $20 bills every Saturday. Now, I don't know what has happened, but I looked in my book and I see I kind of missed a couple Saturdays, but that's okay. The goal is to save $1,000 in 52 weeks. Now, I think we may get it done before 52 weeks. I'm not sure. But anyway, sometimes you may be able to put in here and sometimes you can't. And the reason I came up with small amounts of money, that way you won't miss it. if you're in this situation, or this situation. If we take small amounts of money, every time we get some money, put it away to the side and save it as it adds up over time. We have to be patient, consistent, and disciplined. Constantly adding to it and disciplined by not touching it. Another thing that will help if we live on less than what we make. Watch our spending. Staying out of this, because it's not free money. We pay a hefty price called interest. Don't spend money like there's no tomorrow, because there is a tomorrow, and we're going to need some money to fall back on one day. Yeah, that's why I'm coming up with these savings challenges to help someone. Did you know the average American cannot cover a $100 emergency? We don't want to be in that situation. We want to be able to cover a $100 emergency or whatever. And we don't want to just save $1,000, because that's what we need to save. At least that, and that will cover emergency up to $1,000. We want to save 3 to 6 months of our living expenses. That way, if you have 3 to 6 months of your living expenses and you come across this situation, you can still pay your rent, your mortgage, your gas bill, your electric bill, your cell phone, your car payment, your car insurance, your life insurance, if you have any kind of debt, you can still do that. You have to watch the spending if you have to tap into this money. But you can still keep things going until you find other means of income. And don't just have one income, have more than one. That way you can still keep things going. And if this is your situation, find a way to increase it. Like I said, have more than one stream of income. Become an entrepreneur, start a business. And look, now's the time to start doing that. It's money out here to be made. You can still make money. Yes, there are massive job layoffs right now, but it's still ways to make money. When COVID came, my father's neighbor across the street lost his job during COVID. And what he did, he went around and started cutting down trees. And he has not been back on a 9-to-5 job since. He works for himself now. So there's ways to make money. Where there's a will, there's a way. Yes, it is. And God gives us power to give wealth. Yes, he does. Okay, now, I've been doing something new. I've been giving you all an affirmation, because affirmations are good to say every day. Every day, you should have an affirmation. Something. You should have like what is it, that board called? An affirmation board or something like that. I'm going to give you these affirmations, write them down, and say them every day, all day. So the first one I gave, which was on last Thursday, I think that was 11/6, looks like. Yeah. And it was money now cometh to me. Say that every day, all day, and say it until you start believing it. And the second one I gave for today is send prosperity now. So those are affirmations that we're going to say every day. Money now coming to me, and send prosperity now. Yeah. And just keep saying it and keep saying it until you believe it, until it gets in your mind, into your spirit, and you believe it. Okay? All right. So let's go ahead and add our money, it's right here, to our money box. Okay? I was kind of looking at my totals, and I think my total is off. That's because I probably missed something, missed a video or two or something. But that's okay. Before this year is out, $1,000 is going to be in this box. Okay? All right, let's see if we can get this in. Last time I was trying to put it in, it didn't want to go. See, look at that. Oh, I got it. Okay, so let's go ahead and record. Okay, so today is actually Sunday, but we're going to put this on November 8th, okay? And this is a 52-week savings challenge, and we're on week number 46, okay? Yeah, so this is our money box savings challenge. We added $20, and the last total in here was $840. Now it is $860, which I think is wrong because I see I missed a Saturday on October 18th. But anyway, like I said, let's see what that really should be. Goes to my calculator. 20 C times 46 C, let me see that, equals $920, and I have 860. And yes, I have missed some Saturdays, but like I said, it's going to be 1,000 when I finish. I don't know, maybe the next few Saturdays I may put $40 instead of 20. We'll see. And that just goes to show, if you can't do it every Saturday, or if you can't do it every week, do it every month or every 2 weeks. Do what you can when you can. Don't put yourself in any bind doing these savings challenges. Long as you're doing something, you'll be okay. All right. Okay, so thank you for stopping by. Thank you for joining me. Y'all have a safe, wonderful day, and drop me a comment and let me know if you're doing the savings challenge or any other savings challenge, and let me know your progress so I can rejoice with you. You all have a safe, wonderful day, and happy savings. I'll catch you in the next video.